Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your PSVR 2 headset output to 120 Hz, even if your TV can't support it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories Settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. From PSVR Settings, scroll down to the Cinematic Mode section and select Video Output. In Video Output Settings, enable the toggle for the setting called Output 120 Hz Video to VR Headset. This will output 120 Hz video to your VR headset even if the HDMI device that your PS5 is connected to doesn't support 120 Hz output. To make it work, you need to be wearing your VR headset with the power on when you start a game or app that supports 120 Hz video. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.